Last month, I helped a restaurant owner go from posting randomly on social media to completely automate its social media scheduling, just using one free tool that took 20 minutes to set up. If you're a restaurant owner who's tired of spending hours on social media with no results and your social media manager doesn't work effectively, this video is for you. Ciao, I'm Andrea, the SEO chef, and today I will show you how to use one tool called Metricool to manage your restaurant social media scheduling from only one place. No more logging into 5 different social media apps or accounts, no more forgetting posts, and no more guessing what works. What if you could post on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Google Business Profile all at once? What if you could schedule a week's worth of content in 30 minutes? That's exactly what Metricool does. And the best part, you can start completely for free. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to create your account and connect platforms, understanding your content calendar, creating your first restaurant post, and timing your posts right. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to help your restaurant thrive in the digital world. Now, let's start. Step 1. Create your account and connect platforms. First, go to metricool.com and create your free account. No credit card needed. Once you're in, click Connections and connect your main platforms. For restaurants, I recommend starting with Instagram, Facebook, and Google Business Profile. These 3 platforms reach most of your local customers. The setup walks you through each steps. Just follow the prompts and authorize each account. Step 2. Understanding your content calendar. The first thing to do is to assess your Metricool planner. After you log in Metricool, navigate to the planning section. You will find the calendar symbol on top of the dashboard. This will open your content calendar. Step 3. Creating your first restaurant post. Click Create Post to start. Is the beauty. You can write one caption and can customize it for each platform. For restaurant content that work, focus on these tips. Daily specials with the story behind them. Behind-the-scenes food preparation. Happy customers enjoying their meal. Your team in action. Don't just show the food, tell the story. Instead of today's pasta special, try our chef Mario makes this carbonara the traditional Roman way. You can add photos, schedule the time, and Metricool will post it anywhere automatically. Step 4. Timing your posts right. Timing matters for restaurants. Your customers think about food at specific times. 11 a.m. for lunch planning, 5 to 6 p.m. for dinner decisions. Metricool shows you where your audience is most active. Use these best times to schedule your posts. I suggest posting at least 3 to 4 times per week minimum. Quality over quantity. It's better to post consistently 3 to 4 times a week than randomly every day. Is your homework. Go set up your free Metricool account today, connect your main social media platforms, then schedule just 1 week of content to start. Don't overthink it. Start simple and improve as you go. The most important thing is consistency. If you have anything to ask, drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more tips to help your restaurant rank #1 on Google. And turn on notifications so you won't miss out on new best weekly tips. Thanks for watching, and ciao for now from the SEO chef.